We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give an update for my last video. Okay, if you refer to my last video, we mentioned we're looking, if you want to for buy, we talk about the how we're looking at this correction, and even we mentioned how we can buy. That's why traders, because there is no much changes, still we are within this move. Okay, is really corrective. That's why still traders, they can refer to my last video, then they see what we have been talking about. And even when the price was within this, I mentioned the possibility the price can tag this top, then reverse. Okay, this is what we get. And now we see the price is correcting here, because in my last video mentioned the best, if the price we get this move, if the price drop, then this is the best option to look for buy. And the second option was if we get the sharp move flag, which we didn't get. And the third option was to have entry above this. But having entry above this, and here I just put it as an alternative for the traders, so whether they want to take or not. And I mentioned if you want to have a trade entry above this, the possibility the price can tag and reverse is there, because I mentioned about this exactly what we got. Okay, by the way, those traders, they have entry above this, they, I mean the trade, it didn't tag. But if anyone have entry above this, no, they should be in the trade. But every time having entry above the top, we mentioned within 2 to 3 hours, if it is not moving, we take off the trade. But this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. Okay, that means there was a second chance for the traders to take out the trade. By the way, for those traders, still they keep the, if they trade with the entry above this, they are still within, I mean in the trade, they haven't taken out the trade. Okay, it depends on them whether they want to trade, I mean they keep, or they want to, I mean when the price come to the break even, they want to take out the trade. But if they want to keep the trade, at least they should put their stop loss at this line, which is 0.042. Okay, now the thing is this move is very corrective. Okay, and still we can expect the price to drop. This is what we're looking for. If we get this one more drop to break this low, we will be more interested in this trade. But how about if there is a continuation from here? Okay, still we can go with having trade above this and also here. And the second is if there is a continuation and correction. Okay, but this one we cannot talk about right now, because this is what we get. That's why we need to wait. If we get any short move with the flag, then I will give you update whether we should buy or not. And right now, the best thing is, because if this one start to correct, we can expect one more down. If we get one more down, then we look for buy. But we look at the, uh, I mean the chart, we see whether we can get the trade set up or not. Okay. The only thing is anyone, if bought from here, I think it's better for them right now to manage. And if they see price move to the break even, they take out the trade. Then if they think maybe there is a sharp move, they can have entry above this. And they should know that this one is really corrective. Okay, by the way, right now we don't have any trade set up, we just follow the chart. The only thing is if we get the one move down, then this is I mean which we are more interested. And any other options having entry above this, we call it the really risky trade. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade setup again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And right now the only update is if anyone to get the entry above this, they start to manage it, at least they code the trade. Okay, and if I move to forward chart, we have nothings. And usually when we see this kind of the move, what we expect, anytimes we can expect the sharp move for the continuation. All right, but right now we cannot confirm. That's why we just follow the chart. If I see any confirmation, then I will share. Thanks.